Alright guys, so I sectioned off the pieces of frame off the boneyard section. So I used my new favorite friend, the plasma cutter. So I got it cut down kind of as far as I wanted to for right now. I figure that should be good. I got that there. I got that here. I mean, I'm going to clean all of this up with a grinder. I've only used a plasma cutter one other time, which I really enjoyed it. It works very well. This one happens to be a Harbor Freight one. This one right here. And it works very, very well. I will say that. This isn't mine. I borrowed it from the guy next door who actually builds trailers. There you can see I cut the frame right around that tube because I'm going to get ready to cut the inside of it out. So I cleaned both sides. I didn't cut this one yet. This one's next. If you're going to be doing any kind of fabrication, any kind of welding type stuff, I recommend this. This thing actually works amazingly well. Sorry, my compressor kicked on. Loud as hell in here. So I just had to shut that down. So, but anyway, yeah, this is, if you're going to be doing any kind of fabrication, welding or whatever, cutting, I think this thing was like 600 bucks, he said. Not cheap, but I tell you what, well worth it. You can see the types of cuts that thing makes. I would really consider getting it there. I kind of boogered it up a little bit. Looks like a heartbeat. Well, this is a Chevrolet, so. Anyway, that's it. I will keep you guys posted as I go along. And that's about it. All right. Thanks a lot. Keep wrenching.